Lomé, with a population of 837,437, is the capital and largest city of Togo. Located on the Gulf of Guinea, Lomé is the country's administrative and industrial center and its chief port. The city exports coffee, cocoa, copra, and palm kernels. It also has an oil refinery. History. The city was founded in the 19th century by German, British and African traders, becoming the capital of Togoland in 1897. The city's population grew rapidly in the second half of the 20th century. The city had approximately 30,000 inhabitants in 1950. By 1960 the population had reached 80,000, increasing to 200,000 by 1970. Since 1975, investments grew by 10% in the past year and had been targeted for development. At the same time, railways, which have an important role in serving the suburbs of the city, deteriorated. However, market gardening around the city increased, spurred by growing unemployment, rural migration and the demand for vegetables. Market gardening, first extended to the north, is carried on mainly along the beach, and planting hedges provides protection. The various studies of the land market of the city show that the areas are quite heterogeneous, combining opulent villas and modest housing, without social and spatial division of the city. Other problems increasingly experienced by Lomé are related to garbage collection, and the fight against unhealthy urban living conditions has become a priority of the city and its inhabitants. Geography. Lomé is surrounded by a lagoon to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the south, the village of Bi to the east and the border of Aflao, Ghana to the west. The city has seen massive growth in recent times due to an oil refinery in the east. Neighborhoods in Lomé include Ablogame, Adaolato, Amortave, Be Acute, Dakon, Forever, Kojovia Kope, Nukafu, Nyakonakpe, Tokoin and Zedranowo. Neighborhoods in the north of the city are almost separated from the Lomé is recognized by the Togolese government as a municipal greater urban area. Cities and towns in the Greater Lomé metropolitan area include Aflao, Agbalé-Pedigon, Akode-Sewa, Anfome, Baguida, Kanyikope, Kelekugan, Lomé 2, Totsigan, Adidogoma, Kegwe and Totsivi. Services of the municipality of Lomé far beyond the boundaries of the Gulf and the town north and east of the city. Climate. Lomé has a tropical savanna climate, which is rather untypical of the latitude. The capital of Togo is abnormally dry with an annual average rainfall of only 800 to 900 mm and only 59 rainy days occur throughout the year. The annual mean temperature is above 27.5 degrees Celsius, but heat is constant as monthly mean temperatures range from 24.9 degrees Celsius in July, the least warm month of the year, to 29.6 degrees Celsius in February, and in April, the hottest months of the year. The city gets each year around 2,330 hours of bright sunshine. International agreements. Lomé Convention. The Lomé Convention is a trade and aid agreement between the European Union and 71 African, Caribbean, and Pacific countries. It was first signed on February 28, 1975, in Lomé. The first Lomé Convention, which came into force in April 1976, was designed to provide a new framework of cooperation between the then European Community and developing ACP countries, in particular former British, Dutch, Belgian and French colonies. It had two main aspects. It provided for most ACP agricultural and mineral exports to enter the EC free of duty. Preferential access based on a quota system was agreed for products, such as sugar and beef, in competition with EC agriculture. Secondly, the EC committed to the AQ for $3 billion in aid and investment in the ACP countries. The convention was renegotiated and renewed 3 times. Lomé II increased the aid and investment expenditure for the AQ to 5.5 billion. Lomé III came into force in March 1985 and May 1986, and expired in 1990. It increased commitments to AQ by 8.5 billion. Lomé IV was signed in December 1989. Its trade provisions cover 10 years, 1990 to 1999. Aid and investment commitments for the first 5 years amounted to 12 billion. In all, some 70 ACP states are party to Lomé IV, compared with the 46 signatories of Lomé I. Lomé Peace Accord. The Lomé Peace Accord between the warring parties in the civil war in Sierra Leone was signed in Lomé, with the assistance of the international community. Sierra Leone President Ahmed Tejan Kabir and Revolutionary United Front leader Foday Sankoh signed the peace accord on July 7, 1999. However, the agreement did not last and the Sierra Leone civil war continued for 2 more years. Demographics. Economy. Located 200 kilometers from Accra and 150 kilometers from Kotna, Lomé is an important port, including a free trade zone opened in 1968. It exports phosphates, coffee, cocoa, cotton and palm oil. Much of the transit going to the neighboring countries of Ghana, Mali, Niger and Burkina Faso. The port also holds an oil refinery. The University of Lomé is now known in West Africa. The country's main airport is situated outside the city. The tallest building in Lomé, and throughout the country, is the Hotel Corinthia. The city in general has great potential, because tourism is growing in the country. However, political instability that began to surface in the passing years and continues today has seriously affected the country's tourism sector. In 2003, the country received 57,539 visitors, an increase of 1% compared to 2002. 22% of tourists came from France, 10% of Burkina Faso and 9% were from Benin. Main sites. Notable landmarks in the city include Lomé Grand Market, the Togo National Museum in the Palais de Congrès, a fetish market, Lomé Cathedral, beaches and the former wharf. The city of Lomé is a typical African city in the sense that many styles, influences, and traditions are mixed. The landscape combines red earth with grand boulevards and large squares, green gardens and colorful houses. There are some remnants of colonial architecture from the turn of the century, such as arcades and galleries and the Cathedral of the Sacred Heart designed in the German Gothic style. There are also many modern buildings, like the headquarters of the BCEAO, the BTCI, the magnificent edifice of ECOWAS, Hotel de la Paix, the Hotel Mercury Sarakawa, Palm Beach Hotel and the famous Hotel du Tout Février, rising to 102 meters. Not far away is the Lomé Grand Market, with a large 3-story hall. It sells everything from red peppers, green lemons, and dried fish, to combs, travel bags, and traditional medicinal remedies. On the first floor is the Nana Benz, which is noted for its clothing. Nearer the center of the city, there is the Okodesawa Market, which is much more specialized than the general market. There are fetishes, gongons, and gris-gris. The coast is considerably less frantic than the market, with local fishermen quietly pushing the large boats out to sea. To the west of the city is a residential area that faces the sea. The area has long streets dotted by official government buildings excluding the Palace of Justice and the various embassies and consulates. Farther north, near the Monument of Independence, is the House of the Rally of the Togolese People, a major convention center, within which lies the Togo National Museum. The museum contains collections, jewelry, musical instruments, dolls, pottery, weapons and many other objects showing the arts and traditions. Education. The University of Lomé is located in Lomé Tokoan campus, and the University of Kara is located in the town of Kara in the northern part of Togo. Schools located in the city include American International School of Lomé, British School of Lomé, École Internationale Arc-en-Ciel and Lycée Français de Lomé. Transportation. The city is served by the Lomé Tokoan Airport, which is the hub for ASKY Airlines and has intercontinental connections to Paris, Brussels, and New York. The former railway line to Blita runs from the airport to the city. In Lomé, and in many other places in Togo, mototaxis are a common form of transportation. Motorcycle drivers fill the streets and passengers flag them down for a ride on the back for a small charge. International relations. Twin towns. Sister cities. Lomé is twinned with Shenzhen, China, since 1993. Notable people: Emmanuel Adebayor, footballer for Togo and Crystal Palace; Kangni Alam, writer; Namdewa Atakpama, journalist and writer; Nicole Coste, Air France flight attendant, mother of Alexandra Coste; Christianaka Uwe, acute writer; Emmanuel Kavi, artist; King Mensa, popular Afropop musician.